A single lunch costs over 4,000 yuan. How do you like me to explain that to finance?
I order entertaining clients.
What kind of VIP clients? How many people?
3, including me. 3 people. Over 4,000 yuan. What did you serve? Gold paid steak? Hi, the contract got signed. Oh, come on. Who signed the contract at the first meeting? Yeah, they were just window shopping at the first. But when they heard that it is one of our clients, they take a look and end up signing. Why? Everyone got trained us. It has super strict standard for equipment performance and quality. And they produce similar products. So, hey, come on! Running around all day. Come sit here.